Greetings from Tyresö strand and on the Baltic Sea. Facing on the other end is Solsidan and Erstavik, where I used to cycle with my bike, but now I am on the opposite side on this very hot day. It is currently 28 degrees Celsius in the air, and it was up to 31 degrees earlier in the center of Stockholm. On the sea it's always a bit chillier, which is amazing. It is a bit late, 5:30 p.m., but the sun is still up and I'm catching the last rays of sunshine. Now this is in the nature here, a bit further from the houses, so this can be considered a spontaneous nudist spot indeed, because I'm all alone and I came here by public transport to the last station here at, which was called Strandängarna, I think, and from there it's around 10 minutes walk in the forest. And this is Erstavik nature reserve actually that is starting, but on the Tyresö side. And let's check out the temperature of the sea, and it's gonna be so nice to take a swim in the sea. And the water looks so amazing and so clean and refreshing, and the view is also stunning, so I will be staying here for a longer swim indeed, to relax. And the temperature says almost 20 degrees Celsius in the sea, which will be amazing for a swim. So I'm in Tyresö. Tyresö is obviously on the sea. Naka is also on the sea on the other end, and you can basically walk from here all around. At least one part I think it's closed, where is the Erstavik slot, or Erstavik's, how to say that, palace. It's in, but you can technically walk along as well. Yes, on Tyresö Strandbad, which is the public beach, there is a lot of people, so I opted for this beach spot in the nature, as I knew it is not going to be anyone here despite being such hot weather. So it's quite amazing indeed. Look at that, it's perfect. And there are several ways to get into the water here, and I will try to go as further as possible. It's super nice indeed. Alright, then let's get going and go in for a swim at this spontaneous nudist spot here in Tyresö, as I call it. Here we have also some sand, the same as it is on the other end. It's so nice indeed, very scenic also as well. Alright, so ready, set, and go! Oh my god, it is so beautiful. So amazing indeed. I will definitely enjoy my swim here alone in the nature with the lovely view as well. It's perfect, I love it. It was a good decision to spend the evening here on the sea to relax. So beach number 92, 28 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 in the sea. So Chris is ready to swim fully. yes, thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!